Keep your fabric furniture looking its best with a few tips from the experts at Havertys. Regular care and cleaning will increase the longevity and comfort of your fabric upholstery. Though there are many kinds of fabrics and proper cleaning methods will vary, you can follow these basic guidelines to preserve the look and feel of your sofa, sectional, or chair. If your cushions are loose and reversible, flipping and rotating them is an easy way to essentially double the longevity of your sofa. Flipping the cushions ensures even wear and tear, and rotating them ensures each cushion receives the same amount of use. Turn over each cushion and rotate their placement on your sofa once a week for best results. Don't forget to rotate and flip your back cushions too. You'll also want to fluff your cushions every few days. Simply reshape the contents of the cushion to create even distribution throughout the casing. This makes your sofa look fresh and tidy, while also providing your body with all-over support each time you use it. Your throw pillows are the perfect finishing touch for your style and your comfort. Each time you fluff your cushions, make sure you give the same care and attention to your pillows. In just a few minutes, your sofa can look like new. Depending on the cushion contents of your sofa, you may need to fluff and tidy them more frequently, especially if your sofa is shared with kids or pets. Pieces that feature feather down or down blend filling provide our families with the softest experience possible. Without frequent fluffing and smoothing, they can look disheveled easily. Take the time to tidy your back cushions, throw pillows, and seat cushions. No matter what kind of sofa you have, you'll want to clean it properly by following the instructions found on the tag. Based on the fabric content of your piece, these instructions can vary from dry clean only to machine washable. Follow the tag instructions to help ensure your fabric furniture will outlast life's everyday messes, such as food and drink spills, outdoor dirt, and pet use. Spill some water? Use a soft, clean cloth to eliminate any moisture, and always blot rather than wipe. Is your sofa's fabric pilling? Pilling is a normal occurrence caused by the balling up of loose fibers. This easy-to-use, inexpensive tool called a pill shaver will eliminate the excess fibers without compromising the quality of your fabric. Be sure to keep the area under your cushions clean as well. Over time, dust, dirt, and crumbs can break down fabric fibers. Simply use a stiff, non-metallic vacuum attachment to help preserve the integrity of the fabric. Do so once a week for best results. At Havertys, we craft each piece of furniture to become a long-lasting part of your home. With these tips, your fabric furniture will stand up to everyday use and look beautiful for years to come. To learn more, check out our furniture care guide at havertys.com.